Hi kiddies! In this video, we are going to see some facts about pigs. Yes, pigs belongs to the mammals group, and pigs are smarter than your pet dog. Wow! And are ranked as the fourth most intelligent creature on the earth. They are even smart enough to play video games with more focus. Pigs have an incredible sense of smell. Even they can sniff out food that's underground, which is why they are great at finding truffles. Pigs cannot sweat at all. Newborn piglets learn to run to their mother's voices as young as 2 weeks old. Thanks to watch kiddies, and please do subscribe for more drawings with some information. Thank you.